Hey everyone! In this video, we're walking you through how to sync your Shopify products with TikTok Shop in the EU using the TikTok Shop connector by SPL. Before we begin, a quick heads up for EU sellers. Important. For EU stores, it's mandatory to add a manufacturer and a responsible person, depending on the product category. If these details are missing, your products might get rejected or fail to sync with TikTok Shop. All right, let's get started. Log into your Shopify admin panel, go to Apps, and open TikTok Shop Connector by SPL. Once inside the app, click on the Products section. Now go to Shopify Products. This is where you'll see all the products from your store that can be synced to TikTok. Here, you'll see a full list of your Shopify products. You can sync them one by one or do a bulk sync. Syncing individual products. Find the product you want to sync. Click the Sync button. Select the correct TikTok category and required attributes. Some categories require specific attributes or certifications. If you miss these, the sync might fail. If the product requires safety warnings or packaging info, you'll see a message like, "Are there warnings or safety information on the product packaging?" If your product has warnings, select Yes, add the required info, or upload the necessary certificate. Step 3. Add a manufacturer. To comply with EU regulations, you must add manufacturer details: name, email, trade name, country code, phone, full address. Click Submit. Step 4. Add a responsible person. TikTok requires this for product safety and compliance in the EU. While syncing a product, click Sync scroll down to Add Responsible Person. Enter full name, email, trade name, country, complete address. And that's it. Syncing your Shopify products with TikTok Shop, even in the EU, has never been easier. Something's missing or incorrect, click the Fix Me button. This opens the Power Editor where you can quickly resolve issues with step-by-step instructions. Step 5. Bulk sync products. Want to sync products in bulk? Here's how. Select multiple products. Assign the correct category. Add all required attributes. Upload any needed certificates. Once ready, click Create Products on TikTok. Your products will now go live on TikTok Shop. To add a manufacturer, from the Settings, click on Settings, and then go to the EU GPSR tab. Here, click the Add Manufacturer button. Now just fill in the required manufacturer details: manufacturer's name, email address, registered trade name, country code, phone number, complete address. Once everything's filled out, click Submit to save. This information will now be available for use across all products that require it. Right below that, you can also add a responsible person from the same settings page. Click on Add Responsible Person and enter the following details: full name, email address, trade name, country, full address. Then click Submit to save. That's it. Both your manufacturer and responsible person info is now stored and ready to use whenever you sync products that require them. If you hit any bumps, just use the Power Editor to fix issues and make sure your categories and compliance info are correct. Got questions? Drop them in the comments and then we'll help you out. Happy selling!